Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up voicemail on Mint Mobile. First, dial 1 from your Mint Mobile phone to access the voicemail system. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it's something you can easily remember. After that, you'll record a personalized greeting for your callers. Just follow the simple audio prompts to complete the initial setup process smoothly and efficiently. Once your voicemail is set up, accessing it is straightforward. Simply dial 1 from your Mint Mobile phone at any time to listen to your messages. The system will ask for your password, so have it ready. For added convenience, you can also check your voicemail through the Mint Mobile app. This allows you to easily listen to new messages and manage your saved ones, giving you flexibility. You can easily manage your voicemail settings whenever you need to. To change your password or record a new greeting, just dial 1 and navigate through the menu options. You can also adjust how you receive notifications for new messages, ensuring you're always aware of important calls. These options provide flexibility to customize your voicemail experience to your preferences. If you encounter any issues with your Mint Mobile voicemail, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your phone has an active Mint Mobile connection. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check that your voicemail number is correctly set up. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact Mint Mobile customer support for personalized help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.